Dear students, today we will learn logic gates. What a gate is? A gate is an electronic circuit or maybe electronic operation which operates on one or more input and always produce one output signal. That means gate is nothing but a device which takes one or more inputs but always gives one output. Okay, that is the definition of gate. One more time, gate is a logical circuit or electronic circuit which takes many inputs and always gives one output. And it is of two inputs in the sense there may be low voltage or high voltage. In screen you can see low voltage that may be 0 and high voltage that may be 1. And these gates are with 0 and 1, so it is related to Boolean algebra. That's why when we talk about Boolean algebra, then there may be gates. Since it takes only 0 and 1 as input and it will give the output as maybe 0 or 1. And gates are classified into two types. And those types are in the nodes it is given in screen you can see. Logic gates are classified as basic gates and derived gates. The basic gates are NOT, and OR. Okay, so basic gates, that means the commonly used gates are NOT, and OR. And the derived gates means the gates which are taken from the basic gates, which are derived from the basic gates. Those are called derived gates. And those are NOR. NOR, as you see, the name is NOT plus OR, it is NOR. NAND, NOT plus AND, NAND. XOR, that is OR plus one curved line. Okay, XNOR. In this way, there are many number of derived gates, and these derived gates are derived from basic gates. So first we will see NOT gate. A NOT gate has one input and one output. You can see on the screen there is one input X and one output X bar. That is called as complementation of input. If I take X as 0, we will get output as 1, and if I take X as 1, we will take the output as 0. So you can see in the truth table XY 0 1 1 0. OR gate. It has two or more input signal but only one output. And the input signal may be high or low. High means 1 and low means 0. The input may be 1 or 0, any combination, 1 or 0, 1 0 1. It may be any type of combination. Okay, but we will get the output as 1 or 0, any one. That means always there may be many number of inputs for the OR, but only one output. And the OR acts like a addition operator. That means we can add two or more inputs by using OR gate. OR is a symbol for logic addition. OR truth table you can see on the screen 0 0 0. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. In the same way, AND gate. AND gate has two or more input signals, same like OR, but it will act like a multiplication operator. That means it is logic gate for multiplication. X and Y are two inputs, and you can see the result is F is equal to X into Y. That is output. Even you can see the truth table X and Y we have taken 0, 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So in this way we will get the output. NOR gate. NOR gate is combination of NOT and OR. Okay, but the OR comes first, even though we will commonly say NOR, but it may be ORN. That means OR plus NOT it is. Okay, first we will take OR, then the NOT. You can see on the screen. First there is OR, X and Y are given to OR gate, then we will get one result, and that result will be given to NOT gate, and then we will get the result as complement of given input. That means it is same like NOT, but in NOT there will be only one input, one output, but in the NOR many number of inputs we can take, and we will get the complement of those inputs. And the logical symbol for NOR is, as there is an OR is there as well as NOT is there, and the NOT bubble we will add with the OR, and we will take the NOR symbol. You can see on the screen. And even you can see the truth table. As you know, x, y, x plus y, and the complementation of the result OR is nothing but NOR. Okay, so 0, 0, 0. If we take three values, 0, 0, 0, then we will get the 1, and 0, 0, 1, then 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, but the result we will get as 0. That means whatever the OR output comes, the inversion of that OR output is NOR. And the NAND gate. So it is AND plus NOT. Okay, AND plus NOT is NAND gate, and it has many number of inputs but only one output. Same like NOR. But in the NOR there will be OR plus NOT. Here AND plus NOT. So you can see on the screen X and Y are given as input to AND, and X into Y is the output, and that we will give it to the NOT, and we will get the result as X into Y complement. That is complementation of X and Y input. That is opposite of X into Y. So you can see, and here the NOT bubble we will add with the and we will take the NAND gate symbol. And you can see 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 into 1 is 1. But we will get the result as opposite of AND. That is multiplication of 0 into 0 into 1 is 0. But complement of that result is 1. So we will get all these things as 1. But 1 into 1 into 1, 1. But the complementation of that result is 0. And then exclusive OR. Exclusive OR gate produces output 1 for only those combinations that have odd number of ones. Symbol of XOR gate is, you can see OR, and then there is a curve on the back side, that we will take it as a exclusive OR. And the exclusive OR, you can see when there are even inputs we will get 0. When there are odd inputs we will get 1. Okay, in the truth table you can see once again 0, 0, 0, there is nothing, 0 ones, so we will get the result as 0. But in the second one, 0, 0, 1, one number of 1, so we will get the result as 1. Even the here you can see 1, 0, 1, there are two number of 1s, so we will get the result as 0. But at the last 1, 1, 1, there are three number of 1s, so we will get the result as 1. Okay, this is easy way to remember XOR output or XOR truth table. Okay. Next is XNOR, that is called as exclusive NOR gate. Okay, exclusive NOR gate. And here, even there are in XNOR many number of inputs, but we will get only one output as common in the Boolean algebra. And the NOR gate symbol is, you can see, that is NOR exclusive OR. Along with that, there is one bubble in the front. Okay, in the beginning there is one bubble, at the end that we will call it as a exclusive NOR. And how the result is, you can see here xy, f is equal to x exclusive OR y is equal to x into y plus x bar y bar. Okay, let's see when we simplify how the result is. And for the remembering purpose, we can see one thing here. In the XOR, if the number of ones are even, we will get the result as 0, and number of ones are odd, we will get the result as 1. Here, in the exclusive NOR gate, if the number of ones are even, we will get the result as 1. If the number of ones are odd, we will get the result as 0. That is opposite of exclusive OR. Since for exclusive OR input or output, we are adding the NOT. That means we are adding the complement. Okay, complement for the output of exclusive OR gate. That's why exclusive NOR is opposite of exclusive OR. That's why here the concept is just different. If the number of ones are even, we will get the result. If number of ones are odd, we will not get the result. That means we will get the result as 0 when there are odd number of ones. When there are even number of ones, we will get the result as 1. NAND and NOR gate are called universal gates. Why those are called universal gates? All other basic symbols you can build by using NOR and AND. That's why those gates are called universal gates. Sometimes there may be questions, what are universal gates? Remember, universal gates means NAND and NOR. Why those NAND and NOR are called universal gates? All other gates and or not anything we can build by using NAND and NOR gate. So those gates are called universal gates. And in the Boolean algebra, to build logical circuits, commonly used gates are NAND and NOR. Since we can build all other gates using NAND and NOR. And even these gate combinations are cheaper compared to all other gate combination or all other gate logical circuits. So that's why commonly used gates are NAND and NOR. So those gates are called universal gates. In the next class, we will see how to implement the basic gates using NAND gate or maybe by using NOR gate. Thank you. All the best. God bless you.